When something goes wrong in quality control, the reputation of your brand is at stake. Better to exclude risks in the first place. Welcome the new Eco-Titrator from Metrome, the global market leader in titration. With the Eco-Titrator, you can drastically reduce the risk of errors in your quality control. Your staff can now perform titrations at the touch of a screen. Select the required method. Enter the sample size. Start the titration. Read and print out the result. Then continue with the next sample. No matter what kind of products your company manufactures, all your standard applications are performed fast, easily, and reliably on the Eco-Titrator. Use a USB stick to transfer your titration result to your database. Documentation complies with GLP requirements and can be reviewed at any time. Service or application support needed? Wherever you are, you can rely on our local experts to make sure your Eco-Titrator is always available. The new Eco-Titrator from Metrome. Call your Metrome sales rep now.